Hey, just had a great breakfast at the Bohemian Cafe and gonna load up now and keep burning down the road. Postal Service Cherokee Sport and a rusted out Subaru wagon from the 80s, and they're going to some rally up north. They're overlanders and I'm filming it right now. Hey guys, be safe, okay? Keep rocking.
A few moments later.
So here we go. 4th gear, 5th gear, I'm doing 66. Well, here you go. That's kick-ass. I like it. So I made excellent time from Rochester Hills up to here. I've been racing against sunset, right? That's right after 8 o'clock, but I'll be fine. All right, let's rock the show. Speed shifter, baby. That is beautiful, just totally beautiful. And there's places too you can pull off and check stuff out, like right there and back. I can't help but think Teresa would love doing this with me on a gold wing. There you go. I love it. I could do this all day. I feel like Captain America right now. And this water is so freaking clean up here. I always love bringing the Rocket 3 GT out to northwestern Michigan. This is why. Well, this is US 31 North, and this just gives you a great idea on why it's so nice to motorcycle here. I guess if you're in Ohio, Wisconsin, come up this way. Spend a couple days up here floating around, hitting the small towns. It's really nice. We're here on North M22 still, and this has got to be downtown Leelanau. Look at this. Isn't this great? Oh my gosh. I'm going to stay here now. There you go. Bring your motorcycles to Michigan. That's all I can tell you. Pure Michigan all the way. VI Grill. So I'm eating breakfast here in downtown Leelanau tomorrow. This is going to so happen. Yeah, downtown Leelanau. I haven't been here in years. Look at this. Wow. All these great little places. Look at that. The bay. Oh, that's close for reservations. Wow. Oh boy, I'm gonna have a great breakfast tomorrow morning here after I pack up my camping gear. Teresa, where are you? I need you. They even got an ice cream shop. This is beautiful. I'm really happy I can share this with you guys. Adam, my brother from TOMCC, you're missing out big time. The lake is right there. I know you had to work today. Oh, here's a cool turn for the Rocket. Here we go. All right, man, my speed. I love it. Oh man, cool. Now here you go. This is some really nice paved road. Wow. This is beautiful. It's stunning, okay? Look at this view. This is the stuff you make a motorcycle commercial with right here. The way this goes to the right, then goes to the left. It's like a video game. Look at that. Oh boy. Wow. That's some good riding here. I must be getting close to the state park now. No one behind me, no one in front of me. That's the way to live your life. No one behind you, no one in front of you. Go at your own pace. This has got to be some of the best motorcycle roading I've been on. M22 North. Just cool. They paved a huge section of it. I think the paving ends right here. I just can't imagine how nice it is to live up here. And then you can Amazon all your food. So Google Maps said 214 miles to go from where I live to where the state park is. It feels longer than that. Got this truck, want to be careful about it. So check-in was like 3 o'clock and I got 7 o'clock right now. They'll probably shoot me. I literally made this reservation at 2 o'clock today. This is still great road to be on for a motorcycle. Again though, I got to give you guys my critter warning. Don't get overconfident. There are deer that come out to feed at dusk starting right about now. There's Bigfoot up here, no joke. There's the Wolfman. Apparently he lives in Michigan and Wisconsin. People claim to see him. Here's a good snaky here. I should just pull up and boondock. There's so many places to boondock, no one would ever know or care. Right on the lake I could boondock.
Later.
Look at this view. M22 North, real close to Leelanau State Park. And look at this, you get to roll through here in your motorcycle with this view. Oh man, I'm dying. I could make a motorcycle commercial here, or even a cool car commercial, but this is like what we're talking about, people. Can you believe it? That little stretch there with that view coming through there. How cool does it get? I should just set my tent up on the lake tonight on the beach. Who gives a shit at this point? Forget the campground. Could ride this all day. Left turn signal, Densmore Road's got to be right here. Oh man, I'm so happy I did this. Densmore Road. This has got to be the state park, people. This is cool. I'm excited. And I've got campground 13. Can you believe it? And I have enough light too to set up. So I beat the sun going down, but it is going down. Okay, I'm here. This can't be right. Or maybe it is. Let's see. Alright. It says no camping. I'm so fucked. Let's see what's going on.
Just then.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for helping. Okay. Have a good day. This is funny. Well, that sucked.
20 minutes later.
Well, this was not the entrance to Leelanau State Park. It's part of the park. Imagine the look at my face when I pulled into a dirt area that said no camping. I'm like 8 minutes from the campground, according to those nice people back there. All right, here's where I make my left, okay? Place is closed for firewood. That's gonna be tough tonight. Another 8 or 10 miles in, a good riding. Tell you, my last gas station stop, this thing was coated in bugs. I cleared off the headlight, that front windscreen, and the front of my visor. I must have killed 1 million bugs. Oh, I love the handling of this Rocket 3 GT. What color's the red barn? I'm blowing through here. Oh boy. I just want to come back up here to ride this M22. Forget camping. Looks like I've gone 280.6 miles right now, so it wasn't 214 miles to get here. Google Maps, man, you're messed up. Leelanau State Park. Now I'm here. All right, beautiful. Hey, now I am here. Let's see what I do here. Here I am. I've never been here before. My helmet's on, so I can't hear you that well.
Yeah, no, they're all gone, so you're good.
What about firewood? I heard that was closed.
Yeah, we actually went to go grab some, like a kind of a long way from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been on the road all day. I don't know if I can do that. I need to find campground 13 though, number 13. Would you have any idea?
You can go in here and then they're numbered.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, take it here.
Okay, thank you.
You're 13?
Yeah.
You need wood?
Yeah, I do, really bad.
I got you one. I got you one. I'll give you one. I got you one.
Okay, thank you. You guys are great. Hi. Gotta find 13. Shades of Indian Pass. This place is beautiful. I should have brought my work computer with me and worked remote from here. Hi. So I don't see any numbers yet. 1, 2. Okay, they are numbered. We're coming up to the one I got, and there's the lake right there. I'm off the lake.
More moments later.
Large motorcycle on gravel, but not a problem, people. There's 5. I got here in time. This is great. 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see. 13. This is 13. I'll be. Oh, I can't wait. We are here. There's my fire pit. Where do I want to park the bike? Because the tent goes next to it. Let's see. The fire's going to be burning like that. Okay, I think I know what I want to do. I just hope that I get enough firewood to burn all night. This is so cool. I'm so stoked. Piper and Teresa, I love you guys. I wish you were here with me. It's not so hard to move this bike around. So I'm going to do this kind of thing. Because I got the lake right there. I see a tent set up over there. Let's see. I bet Teresa can't call me because reception up here might not be good. This will do it. Get that kickstand into the ground. Okay, I'm gonna get off and get undressed a bit. Okay, so this is how I got it parked. The bike was great all the way up here. Fire pit. Tent right here. And I should be in good shape. Alright, I gotta get to work.
The next morning.
Alright, making progress, getting ready to roll this up finally. And I'll just show you a bit more. I will have to clean the tarp for sure, this outer tarp, when I get home, probably by hand with soap and water and a sponge because of the wet ground, stuff like that, but that's what it's for. Just doing some charging. Got some charging going on here. Those need to be packed. Wonder where that beer can came from. And out here, this was a great campsite. Here's the road. I wasn't joking about a bear coming through here last night, by the way. They're sneaky. They're sneaky. So here, and I rode in right through here. And I think this here it's like a trail to other campgrounds. Pretty nice. I'll be back here again.
More moments later.
Hey guys, Terry. So I stopped at the Bohemian Cafe for breakfast, and so let's go do this. Bohemian Cafe, there's your good looking correspondent in the window. Oh. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, can I do the breakfast burrito?
Sure.
What kind of cheese do you put in it?
It's just shredded, like, kind of cheddar mix.
I don't need cheese like that.
No cheese?
No
All
cheese.
right.
And then I need a coffee, like a medium coffee.
All right.
And can I get like hash browns on the side or anything?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. All right, you see that this coffee made it to YouTube. Yeah, I know. All right, I get to eat. Here we go. All right, time to dig in. I'll be back. Hey, just had a great breakfast at the Bohemian Cafe and gonna load up now and keep burning down the road.
1 hour later.
All right, Terry here. One last fill up and then we are getting an I-75 right there going south in Grayling, Michigan.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, taking in a rest area. Got caught in the rain. Want to give the freeway 30 minutes to have that oil come up surface. I'm getting ready to get back on her, head on home. All right, here we go. Rain mode.